Hey there tech guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm wearing the same clothes because it's the same day and I'm doing more videos. So today we are going to be taking a look at how to use the app from Divoom to use with your smart pixelated Bluetooth speaker. Let's have a look at the app. Okay, first and foremost, you need the app, which is right there. Gonna focus? No, the lighting isn't the greatest, but we'll manage. Open the app, and you're greeted with your welcome to the app screen. This is basically what you are going to be looking at. Now, it does look a bit daunting at first, but bear with me, it does get a bit easier. Now, what you have to do first of all is to connect this to your phone. So that means going through your Bluetooth settings on your device and then linking it to the speaker. So what you have along the bottom is discover, channel, message, and your account. Now you will need to set up an account on this, because what it lets you do is create your own artwork, and then you can upload your artwork to the actual sort of little forum group on here. So yeah, it's pretty damn good. Now, designs, first of all, that is the design I made. And as you can see, the speaker really doesn't sort of display that all that well. Now, there is a reason for that, because this screen is so small, it hasn't got enough pixels to actually make this image appear on screen. Now, the larger ones will probably do it. This one, however, it won't, unfortunately. So that allows you to design anything you want within reason. Okay, now channels, that allows you to basically change quite a lot of settings on this device. Now, the lighting in here isn't exactly great. Oh, don't break the camera, you friggin' idiot. So what you've got, can I get this in such a way where it's actually going to see it without being blurred or sorted? Tell you what, I'll turn the lights off because I think that backlight is causing quite a bit of reflection. Let's see if that makes a difference. Da-da-da-da. No, it's just the exposure on the camera. That's a bit of a bugger, isn't it? Oh well, right, never mind. We'll manage. We'll get through it. Bloody hell. Right, okie dokie. So that allows you to change colour aspects. Now, if I can get this in such a way you actually see what you've got. You see? The backlight is that bright on the phone that it's not doing me any favours. Even turning that down. But you do have a line of colours at the bottom, as you can just make out. Apologies again for the lighting. Where you can actually change the screen design to what you'd actually like. Go from that, and this is real time actually. So it is 0551. I quite like that one. Now, if you want to change your colour scheme, you can change it across the bottom by using these. There we go. These little colours at the bottom. Which means you can change the temperature of that, your locations, You don't really need to go into any of that as of yet because, you know, nobody needs it. Lighting, again, you can spin the little dial around and change the contrast lighting as to what you prefer. I've tried to get it to change these, but without success. I mean, you can just have a mess around. The cloud channel is basically what everyone puts all their stuff on. Everyone that makes little images or animations or still pictures will be uploaded on here, and you can actually download them to your phone and then ping them across to that. It's that simple. Visualizations, again, it's, you know, you have to select which one you want. So create your own real-time music visualizer. Now if you've got this playing music, you can have an on-screen visualizer. So we can add one, click on the add button, and then you are greeted with quite a lot of different designs where you listen to your favourite tunes. I mean, let's try that one for example. Yes, we like that one. Well, that's quite nice. And then make, and that's just, there we go, and it sent it across to the speaker. Custom is, as it really describes, you can actually create your own images, your own pictures, even your own little letter banner for your screen, and can also change the customizable backing so you can have different backgrounds depending on what sort of device you have and actually what you want to show, as long as it actually shows on the screen. I went for something pretty simple and effective. I just went for EDT. It's you know, it's simple, like me. So scrolling across the top, I believe that is it for the bits and pieces. Now the little box at the bottom, this allows you to choose what you want on your screen from visualizations. You can have characters, festival, patterns, creative, nature, which shows you loads of different, each sort of folder contains literally hundreds of these images from every content creator that is on the app. So that looks like a bit of a Kirby. But yep. Why is the brightness so bloody bad? It's not the best, so let's try and find one a bit darker, one that's going to work. Oh, there's Biscuit. There we go. That's all you need to do. You just select the one you want, and it goes straight to your screen. Let's go skiing. Awesome. Ah. Now, if we go to, I don't know, let's have a look at gadgets. Oh, that one looks quite good. Select, and there we go. And it's the same for every application. Just select which one you want. Shut up. And it just pings it straight across. No messing about, no auto syncing. Well, there's a bit of Knight Rider then. Ooh, I actually quite like that one. Yes, I shall like that. And there we go. That pretty much it. Back to the main cam. Final thoughts. And there you have it. That is a bit of a brief introduction on how to use the app from the Divoom official app. Now, this app is available on Play Store. It's available on the what's the Apple? Is it the App Store? Yeah, the App Store. Obviously, it's the App Store. So it is fully integratable. There's no subscription fee. You don't have to sign up for anything. Although it does ask you if you to make an account. This is basically so you can use what people have uploaded to their sort of like creators content group, so you can use it for your speaker. And also, if you wanted to make your own animations, your own images, pictures, stills, whatever, it gives you that sort of added benefit if you have created an account where people can actually use your images on their speakers. But it's not just that, it's an entire community where you can chat to people, you can make friends, interchange content, like, share other people's content. It's like a mini Facebook for Divoom creators, as it has. It's the perfect place if you want to sort of get used to doing pixel art, which is actually slowly becoming a thing. People are actually using these and creating really good graphic images. Even so, you might actually be able to try and sell a few. Excuse me. I don't know if that's a thing, but you know, maybe some time down the line into the future, it might become a thing. But that is the only, I would say, downside, is you have to create an account. But having an account gives you so much benefits. You can create, you can use, share, chat, make friends. It's a very valued community. I've not used the app that much, so I've not sort of made friends. I've got one like on an image. One like since I actually downloaded the app and put an image up there on the community. But hey, that's not bad. But apart from that, once you've got used to the way the app works, the easier it gets. It's so easy to use. I mean, even for somebody like me, which is baffled by apps that look confusing. After, I say, a brief 5-10 minutes getting used to how everything works, the rest just seems to fall into place. Then once you've got confidence on using the app, using images, you can then start to create your own, which is a bit different, but again, it is relatively straightforward and you will get the gist of it over time and practice. It's one of them. Something like this will take time to use, but apart from that, it is relatively easy to use, free to download, and there's nothing much to it. It's just a great little app to use for your little speaker. And yeah, it's just flashing away nicely in the background. So this wasn't really meant to be a review of such on how to use the app. It was basically like an infomercial on how to get onto the app once you connected your speaker to it, and what you can find on there, how to navigate your way through it, how to change little backing settings and stuff like that for your speaker itself. The rest of it just comes with practice, time, and if say in lockdown, I think you'll have plenty of time on your hands, unfortunately. But enough about the COVID shite. Nobody likes it, everyone hates it, and people that talk about it usually get shot. Why did I put that? So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, which is the way it should be. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. The analytics work both ways, it doesn't really matter. If you'd like to see more content on this channel, then please hit the subscribe button. If you want, you can hit the bell notification when you're going to be updated and notified of when new content goes up on the channel. I am working furiously in the background, making content a lot better than my previous videos as I get used to the editing software. New lighting, cameras, shit like that. Things will get better, trust me, they won't stay this bad. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.